Your Honor.
O sige, sabihin mo sa akin kung ano niya sinabi niya. Sige, sabihin mo sa akin.
Kung magkano po yung aking binayad doon sa aking share na 20%, Your Honor.
Hindi yun. Ikaw naman. Gusto mo, Secretariat, can we get the records, the transcript during that time when he answered that question? Colonel,
Yes, sir.
makinig ka ha. Ang tanong sa iyo kanina, sinabi mo, meron kang $200,000 because you earned that where? Yun ang tanong ko.
Opo, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon naman, opo ka na. Meron totoong $200,000.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Saan mo nakuha yung $200,000?
Yung kalahati po noon, Your Honor,
Oh.
sahod ko po na accumulated as police attaché.
Okay, as police attaché, 100,000. Kalahati, kamo, di ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
So, how much are you getting every month as a police attaché?
$8,000, Your Honor.
So, accumulation itong 100,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilang years ka na-assign?
3 po, Your Honor.
So, sa 3 taon, naka-accumulate ka ng $100,000.
Opo, Your Honor.
O, yung $100,000 na extra.
Sa mga negosyo ko po dito, Your Honor.
So, lahat ito, in-accumulate mo in a span of 3 years.
Hindi po, Your Honor. For
Ang
my...
gulo mo kausap eh. Alam mo, ang gulo mo kausap eh. $200,000 lang pinag-uusapan natin. Huwag ka na lumayo doon. Kaya nga ang tanong, saan galing yung $200,000? Sinabi mo, kalahati nun, galing sa sweldo mo as police attaché because you're earning $8,000 per month. Sabi mo ha.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi i-accumulate mo yung 3 years mo as police attaché, ang ibig sabihin nun, kinita mo yung $100,000, hindi ka gumastos?
Gumastos po, Your Honor.
O kita mo, ang labo nung sagot mo. Pakiayos nga, I just want to get the transcript Babalikan kita mamaya, Colonel.
Okay, Chairman, follow up lang ako doon sa mga years. Confidential short lang. Colonel, will the Chair allow me? With the indulgence of
With the
Chairman
indulgence
Dan.
of Congressman Fernandez.
Ganito po, kailan ka ba na-assign doon sa US?
2020 po, Your Honor.
2020 month. Anong buwan? Anong buwan?
August po, Your Honor.
August, so half of 2020. Now, when was the Noy Pitch was established? Las Vegas?
2021, Your Honor.
2021. Of what month?
Nag-start po, Your Honor, December.
December 2021. In short, from 2020 to 2021, yun yung na-accumulate mo in the 3 years of your salary and your allowances. Eto ba't tumatras ka? Tinatanong kita. Do you confirm? Kasi yung data mo is 2020 August, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, you were signed now. Yung Noy Page was established December of 2021. So, ilang buwan lang yun.
Yes,
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, bakit sinasabi mong half? Half of your salary.
I will submit the...
And then you're lying. Huwag kang magsinungaling, Colonel. Akala mo dito yung mga tao dito, yung committee bobo, na hindi pwedeng isa-isahin? You have said on record, when you asked by Chairman Barbers, that half of the $200,000 came from your salary. And your salary, 2020 August, you started there being assigned, and 2021, hindi ko pa sinasabi yung expense mo. Yung expenses mo. Paano magiging half of that? How can you earn 100,000 a month for just 1 year or less? You're lying.
Mahigit po, Your Honor.
Ano mahigit? Sige nga, kwintahin mo nga. Alam mo, yung 3 years mo, kung tama yung sinasabi mo, that's only 288,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, but you started August 2020 and December 2021, saka kayo bumukas. Oh, yung expense mo, lahat-lahat. Oh, who are those Ito, Colonel, marami pa kaming tatanong sa iyo. If, in the next topic, pag nagsinungaling ka, baka mapakontem ka.
I'm very willing, Your Honor.
Oh, you're very willing. Okay. Now, sino yung mga incorporators?
Mga...
Sino mga?
Ray Perez po, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Ray Perez and...
Sino nga?
Lauro
Sino nga?
Alonso. Ray Perez and Lauro Calonso po, Your Honor.
Filipino.
Filipino-Americans, Your Honor.
O, saan address?
Doon po sila based, Your Honor.
O nga, saan nga doon?
Sa California po, Your Honor.
California. Saan sa California?
In
In where?
Los Angeles, Your Honor.
Saan nga?
Los Angeles po, Your Honor.
Oh, Los Angeles. Now, how did you know these people?
They were my brothers, fraternity brothers, Your Honor.
Fraternity brothers.
Yes, Your
O,
Honor.
anong trabaho ng dalawa? Doon.
Restaurateur po si Mr. Calonso, Larry Calonso, Your Honor.
O, yung Noy Pitts, di ba?
Matagal na po yan, Your Honor. 2013 yan nag-umsa.
2013. Pumasok ka lang 2020.
Opo.
2021, December.
Opo, nung mag-open ho sa
Sa Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, opo.
Oh, please. Eto Mr. Chairman, I move for Colonel Villela to submit his salin in the year 2019 up to 2022, Mr. Chairman. When was the last year you were assigned in the US?
Last year, Your Honor.
When was that?
Salary that
Yung
is
ba
getting.
yung buong amount o yun yung take home mo, Colonel?
Buong amount yun, Your Honor, dito po inaano yon, binibigay sa amin. Pinapadala po doon, plus yung sahod ko po as a colonel, Your Honor.
So
Hindi pa
taxable
kasama.
yung $8,000?
Dito po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Hindi. So dito kasabay ng sweldo mo, pinadadala buo. Ganun.
Yes, Your Honor. Nandito po sa land bank po. Dito po
Okay.
pinapapasok.
Thank you very much. I just wanted to get clarified on that. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman
Mr.
Suarez.
Chair.
Please proceed. And
Okay,
you have,
matatapos na ako. Okay.
Please wrap it up.
Colonel Villela, were you a former finance officer ng PNP as controller ng PD sa Iloilo?
No, Your Honor. I am the provincial director of Iloilo, Your Honor.
Hindi ka naging finance officer?
Never I was assigned in finance, Your Honor.
You were assigned?
No.
Never. Okay. Mahilig ka rin sa mga Rolex. May Rolex ka.
Meron po, Your Honor.
Ilan ang Rolex mo?
Isa lang po, regalo po sa akin, Your Honor.
Isa lang. Sino nagregalo sa'yo?
My wife po, Your Honor.
Yung wife mo ngayon. Okay. Kailan natin nabili to? Nung panahon na tayo nasa police attaché?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay, so basically, nabawas yung... anyway, meron ba kayong property sa Samal?
Ako po, Your Honor, may lote po ako doon.
Meron ka sa Samal?
Dati po akong chief of police doon.
Sige, gaano kalaki yung property mo doon?
500 square meters.
500
Your
square
Honor.
meter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan mo siya binili?
2014 ata, Your Honor. I cannot recall, Your Honor.
Okay. GM Garma, meron ka bang property sa Samal?
Meron po, Mr.
Meron ka
Chair.
din. Magkalapit kayo, correct?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
Ilang square meter ang lupa mo sa Samal?
Parang 700, Mr. Chair.
700. Lot, Griar, may lupa ka sa Samal?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Sure ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala.
Wala po.
Sige. Commissioner Leonardo, meron kang lupa sa Samal.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw naging USEC ng DNR, di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And that property in Samal was a protected area. Am I correct? Protected area yun, hindi mo alam?
Yung
Sa Samal?
I think there are some areas
Correct.
that are protected. po,
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
And that's the reason why these people were able to get property there because of you being the USEC of the DNR before.